Where's the better angle?
You know what, man?
Motor mount, bolts left.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, let me. I want that bolt there.
The motor should come
They
out.
got one bolt on top. Sit on top of all of that.
One bolt sitting on top of it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
One big fat one?
No, it ain't that big, but I mean one bolt. That might be all it is.
All right.
You
can see it from up there?
Yeah, that's what I said. Got one bolt sitting on top.
Hit that.
That's what I said. That might be what it is. You might
Hit that thing.
Yeah, I might want to come look at that. Go on the side.
Yeah. Well, look, come on,
But
Rufus.
that might go on the side.
Shit, let's get the phone. Yeah.
I know
It
that.
might go on the side though.
For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Little young motherfuckers funny. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I'm making so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me on date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlock. Fast light, don't stop at the red light. I told her, bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for the bitch.
Hey, off in the mood now. You can't say nothing like that.
I mean, shit, we ain't gonna do nothing but come back down here anyway.
No, it's two more on the side though.
Okay.
It might go to the side and go that way too. Them other two, that might not do good on top. Cause they got a piece of rubber there too.
Yeah.
All right,
So
I'll get this one.
it don't matter. Either way you take it out, it don't even matter.
It's up to you, bro. Whatever you can get
Don't
to.
you take it out and find out where you go back home again.
You need a pipe to break it, the pipe right beside you.
Be the reason. Is this the 16 or is it a 15? What the fuck? I think it's a 15. Would you pass me that
15.
short 15 socket, sir, please? I swear we had the 16 wrench on the shit, though. Thank you.
It just look like it's easy to me. The top, that's all.
The top?
Right.
You keep saying that, but you're not getting it, Dad.
I know, I'm just saying. I'm talking about the same boat.
Oh, the same boat that he trying to get?
I guess he's trying to get him. I moved the shield. I guess I'm the one trying to get. Yeah, like I said, let me get it out here. So the motor mount can be put back on the other motor anyway.
Yeah. I just thought you seen a better way to get like a boat up there.
I was sure gonna be like, praise God.
That pipe right there.
I don't even know which way y'all getting taken out.
Would you pass me that 15 wrench, please, good sir?
He ain't got no room down here.
I thought you had 15 out on that.
No, I had the 16 and it was too big.
Well, I see
Oh, did I get
15?
15
I don't see
too?
those 15. I see a 14.
It's
What is it? No, that's 13. I remember that.
All right, y'all. Everybody be, I think 11 or 12. I'm still out here. I think I just got the boot, man. So I'm out the jacket and see. Go on here, make sure transmission loose. I should have got it though. No. The transmission should come out. Still ain't good though. We're gonna jack it and see. That's it. That is it. Get the coolant, y'all. Look at that coolant. I ain't trying to spend no money. No, I'm gonna have to type it all though. I should have got the transmission. Transmission should have dropped now. I had 2 bolts under the. Yeah, I had 2 bolts at the top. If I'm not mistaken, it like they ain't probably the other one. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's a loose. Yeah, it is. It is. Get ready to come out now, y'all. Get it up out of there. I'm by myself right now too. Everybody will love me, man. They did what they could. They helped me. It was my fault. Let me tell y'all, if y'all ever do this, it was a nut on top of one of the transmission bolts. So I took this off thinking I had it out, but I still had to take this whole thing out. So I just did that. Ready to come out, man. I had to get that out the way. Question, would I do it again? Can't answer that yet. Gonna let that drain out. But yeah, though, as y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see, man. I think the transmission is off. Yep, I think. Yeah, it is. Transmission is loose. Mission accomplished. We're coming out with it. Yep. Could really pull it back soon. I'm gonna holler back at y'all when I get this out, man. As y'all see, it's coming out. Correction, time was 10:52. Get the light. As y'all see, man, she out of there. Not all the way. Make sure we ain't got nothing still connected, which we do. Still got one right there. Little connector. That should be it for this side. Should be all this holding it. Side. Okay. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm trying to let y'all see, man. Alright, y'all, let me get that out and I'm gonna come back. Almost got it out, gang. Just gotta clear that. Them lines right there. Pull it out. Set it down. Start again tomorrow. Yep. It's pretty easy so far, man. She's swinging, y'all. You know what that mean. I told y'all I was gonna get it out today. No games played, man. I finally got it out, gang. Finally got it out. Let's go, gang. Out with the old. Gonna be going in with the new soon. Get the old. Yes, sir. Too easy.